Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an infographic video with Canva. You can use this video either for your business purpose or maybe educational purpose. Maybe you're someone who likes to create content about studying some kind of subject, or you would like to just share information about something. Using an infographic video is going to be very helpful for you, and you can create many interesting infographic video with the help of Canva. First things first, you're going to want to sign up to Canva if you haven't had an account yet. If you already have one, all you have to do is go and sign in to Canva. And today I am going to be using Canva Pro, but you can follow this tutorial without even having to have the Canva Pro account. You can use the free account and it will still work just as fine. So once you get signed in into your Canva, you're going to want to type in infographic on the search bar right here. And what's going to happen is Canva is going to give you a bunch of templates that you can use in order to create your infographic. And because what we're going to create today is going to be infographic video, you will also want to add in the word video on your search. And now Canva is going to give you this bunch of templates that you can use in order to create your infographic video. So you can create infographic for example, this one is for achievements, this one is for services, this one's for project, and then we also have training timeline and some sort of introduction. Then we got training program or some tutorial on how to order on some kind of apps and many more. So again, before you choose any of these templates, you're going to want to choose the theme or the idea of your infographic first. So for example, I want to try to search for mental health infographic video and see what Canva have in store for me. Alright, so apparently Canva doesn't really have a video form of mental health infographic, but they do have some mental health print infographic design. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to use some information from this template and then turns it into a video. This is one way that you can do in order to create an infographic video, but you can also, of course, use your own copywriting if you want, or you can even use the help of AI such as ChatGPT to create a script for your infographic. But for this tutorial, I am going to use a script or some writing that are created by Canva print designed mental health infographic. So this is the infographic printing design that I'm going to use for my video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click customize this template, and once it's open, I'm going to create a new Canva by going to create a design and then clicking on video. So I am not going to use any templates from the infographic templates, but I'm just going to create one myself by incorporating the design from this printing infographic design one. So you can totally just create everything from scratch if you want, but I do sometimes will use templates just to make things easier. But this is a special case, so we're going to create things from scratch. I'm going to start by choosing the background design. So you can see right now the design is sort of dark blue, some sort of ashy blue, and I think I'm just going to change the colors to something a little bit more brighter. I'm going to choose the yellow as my background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and search for soft yellow color palette. And this is what going to comes up. So I'm going to download this image, and I'm going to give you one hack that I really like to use when I'm designing with Canva. So I'm going to save this real quick, and I'm going to upload the pictures into my Canva right here. Alright, now that it's uploaded, I'm going to add some elements first. So you can see in this one's right here, they actually have this element, and I'm going to try to find something that looks like this. So I'm going to try to type in blob and see what we get. So we got this right here, and I think I'm going to use this one. And this one is great because you can actually change the colors of the elements. So I'm going to use this one and put it right here. And you can see that we will get some more recommendation. And I think I'm also going to add this ones right here, put it all the way in the corner. And for the title, I'm going to use this one. And again, I'm going to try to find something that I can change the color on. And if an element comes with color box popping on top like this, it means that you can alter the colors and you can change it to however you want it to be. All right, so I'm going to copy this text from the print design and put it into my designs right here. I'm going to put it in the middle, and then I'm also going to change the font. So I think I'm just going to use the same font with this one. So this one's use Boldora, and I'm going to just type in Boldora here. All right, there we go. And I'm going to make it larger, and I'm also going to setting on the spacing. I don't really like how the line was too further apart, so it's going to be something like this. All right, now that we got our text as well as our elements, and now we're going to do the hack. So the hack is by adding this color palettes into the design, right click on it, scroll all the way down, and then you will be able to find this apply colors to page option. Once you do that, all of the colors on the palette will be applied into your design, and you can do it multiple times until you find the perfect color combination that you feel are the best for you. Alright, so after adding the color, I ended up creating some more adjustment, and I kind of like how it looks like for now, but I also going to add one more element, which is this person's elements right here, and I'm going to put it into my design. So I'm going to put it all the way in the corner here, and this is how it looks like. And next I'm going to duplicate this page so that it's going to have a very similar background, and all I have to do is just to change the text by copying the one from this infographics right here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get back after I'm done. Alright, so I've done adding all of the tags, and I created some design to make it a little bit more interesting. And now once we're done with all of the tags and copywriting, what we're going to do is we're going to start animating the video. So in order to do that, all you have to do is click on the element that you want to animate and then click on animation. Alright, so I added the animation into my text, and you can see the animation that is inserted by looking at the top screen right here. You can see I added scrapbook animation, and now it's time to setting on the durations of each of our frames. So you can do that by simply dragging on each frame, or you can also click on the frame that you want and type in the timing that you want for each frame. And then you can also add transitions if you want. You can do it by clicking in between the page and then clicking this add transitions option. So you can just choose on whatever transitions you want. I kind of like this color wipe one or this flow one. Let's try with the flow one, and then I think I'm going to apply it in between pages, and let's see how it looks like now. Alright, so adding the transitions will remove the animation that you made the first time, and I feel like it's okay for me, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. And of course you can also elevate your video by adding some music if you want. All you have to do is go to the app and then click on audio, and here you have selections of audio that you can use for your video. And once you're done, all you have to do is click on share and then download your video. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an infographic video on Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.